Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in outdoor gear. In this video, we present the Suunto Vertical Smartwatch, a cutting-edge timepiece designed to elevate your outdoor adventures. Join us as we explore its features and functionalities, from opening the box to showcasing its remarkable performance. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance with the Suunto Vertical Smartwatch. This cutting-edge timepiece is designed to elevate your outdoor adventures and fitness journey to new heights. Let's dive into the impressive features that make this watch a must-have companion. Crafted with precision, the Suunto Vertical boasts a bezel made from stainless steel, ensuring durability and a sleek look that catches the eye. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass provides crystal-clear visibility, protecting the display from everyday wear and tear. Weighing just 74 grams, 2.61 ounces, the Suunto Vertical is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to wear throughout your daily adventures without compromising comfort or freedom of movement. Stay in tune with your body's performance thanks to the integrated wrist heart rate monitor. This innovative feature allows you to track your heart rate effortlessly, providing valuable insights into your fitness levels and optimizing your workouts. The comfortable silicone strap, measuring 22 millimeters in width, ensures a secure and snug fit on your wrist. It's the ideal companion for any activity, whether you're hitting the trails, conquering mountains, or simply going about your day. Monitor your blood oxygen levels and gain deeper insights into your overall health and well-being. This feature empowers you to optimize your training, enhance recovery, and make informed decisions about your fitness regime. Embrace the elements with confidence, as the Suunto Vertical boasts an impressive water resistance rating of 100 m. Dive into your aquatic adventures, swim with ease, and conquer any water-based challenge. The high-resolution display with a resolution of 280 by 280 pixels, crisp and clear visuals, allowing you to view your data and statistics with utmost clarity, whether you're checking your training progress or exploring the wilderness. Navigate and explore with precision using the integrated satellite systems. With GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, GNSS, and Beidou compatibility, you can confidently venture off the beaten path, track your routes, and never lose your way. Enjoy exceptional battery life that keeps up with your active lifestyle. In time mode, the Suunto Vertical can last an impressive 60 days, ensuring that you're always on time. With 24/7 tracking and mobile notifications enabled, the battery life extends to 30 days, providing you with continuous monitoring and smart connectivity. Express your personal style with customizable watch faces, allowing you to tailor the display to your preference and match your mood or outfit. The touch display offers intuitive navigation, allowing you to effortlessly scroll through menus, access various features, and view your activity data with just a swipe of your finger. The vibrant color display ensures clear visibility even in bright sunlight, providing an enhanced user experience. Unlock your true potential with the multi-sport capabilities of the Suunto Vertical. Track and summarize your various sports activities directly on your wrist. Seamlessly switch between different sport modes during your exercise sessions and take advantage of pre-configured multi-sport modes tailored to your favorite activities. After your workout, delve into detailed post-analysis of your multi-sport exercises, allowing you to analyze your performance by sport and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, the Suunto Vertical smartwatch is a true game-changer in the world of wearable technology. With its sleek design, durable construction, and an array of impressive features, this smartwatch is the perfect companion for fitness enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and everyday individuals looking to enhance their active lifestyles. From its stainless steel bezel and sapphire crystal glass to its customizable watch faces and advanced tracking capabilities, every detail of the Suunto Vertical is crafted to perfection. With water resistance up to 100 meters, integrated heart rate monitoring, and compatibility with multiple satellite systems, this smartwatch empowers you to reach new heights and conquer your goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your fitness journey and stay connected on the go. Subscribe to our channel today to stay updated with the latest in wearable technology and discover more exciting products, like the Suunto Vertical. Join our community and embark on a journey of health, adventure, and limitless possibilities. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.